Hello everyone, in this video we will understand about the improvement in the sealing issues for the flexible packaging. So we are very well aware that the pouches are used in the FMCG industries, pharmas or the eatables. So it is very important for the pouches to be contamination free, and for that sealing issue is a major concern that the industry faces. So today we'll be discussing about the standards also and the standardized testing, how you can ensure your seal integrity of the pouches. So first is the heat seal test, because in that you can set a particular temperature, pressure and time and understand what is the correct sealing parameter for your testing, and this directly impacts your seal integrity of the sample because it is sealed at a fixed temperatures. So that is one testing, that you check correctly the parameters. Then the second testing is to check the correct seal initiation temperature, that you can do by ASTM D1921 standard, that is for hot Tack Tester, in which you can judge that what is the first correct temperature you can set for sealing your sample, so that your sample you can say is finely sealed. Okay, it will be sealed at temperature, pressure and time, and it will de-seal at some force, and that force should be compliant to your standard that a hot Tack tester performs. Third kind of testing is a mechanical strength testing, for that is a seal strength test complying to ASTM F88, in which you have to make a standardized strip sample of 25 mm or a 15 mm width with 76 mm gauge length, and you can just fix it between two grippers and then de-seal it off at a fixed 300 mm per minute. So this is a seal strength tester that you can perform by pulling the sample and looking that what is the correct result for the sealing parameters. So that is one kind of mechanical strength testing. Apart from this, we also have an environmental test, that is a vacuum leak testing, where you create an environment of the absence of air in the vacuum leak desiccator, let's say at specific vacuum pressure, and set a hold time, and you can see your sample will show bubbles in the form of leakage or not. These tests complies ASTM D3078. These standards I'm saying because the standards help in saying that these tests, if you will perform, you will accurately detect the sealing issues in your sample. So this is one. Apart from this, we have balloon burst tester also, in which 3 sides enclosed a sample is, and we just provide the internal pressure to the pouch and see that sample bursts or not. So this kind of testing also you can perform. So this is a balloon burst testing by internal pressure method. So this, or apart from this, the environmental simulation is also sometimes the case, that we have, when we are making the product, it's properly fine, but when we place it in the warehouse condition, the samples then start showing its actual condition because of the change in the environment. So environmental simulation is also an important test you should go with. So for that, humidity chambers are there, temperature, programmable temperature and humidity chambers are there, in which a fixed temperature and humidity we can set, and then we can simulate those conditions and see that sample can show the specific condition or not, or simulate it or not. So by these methods, you will be able to holistically handle your sealing issues in the samples. So for more testing and information, you can contact Presto. Thank you so much.